supposed to solve and graph 2x squared plus 3x less than or equal to 20. I have a quadratic. I'm going to pretend the inequality sign is an equal sign. I'm going to subtract 20. 2x squared plus 3x minus 20 less than or equal to 0. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shot at factoring. A times C is negative 40. B value is, remember, if you need hints, you can write out the factors of 40 on the side, larger number on the left. And that way you can kind of visually see which ones can you subtract or add and change the math operations. Which one, class? 8 and 5. Do I need to change any of those? Which one? Negative 5. Okay, common mistake is to make the binomials here x plus 8, x minus 5. The reason why that would be wrong is because x times x is x squared, not 2x squared. So you have to use the box. Let's color code these. These go here. Class, what do I write? 8x, and that one? Negative 5x. What goes up there? 2x squared. And the last one, your C value always goes in the bottom right, negative 20. Class, can I put a 2x? Can I put a 2x over here? Oh, let's try something new. Let's just go that way. I just don't have space. Is the greatest common factor of this row 2x? What is it? Can I do it this way? Should, right? Let's try it. Greatest common factor here. How about over here? And over here. Plus 4. I would have put this over here, but I ran out of space. We're okay? So 2x minus 5, x plus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Raise your hand if you factor it like that. Raise your hand if you got these factors. Okay. So if you did quadratic formula, then you would have gone R's, 0 product rule. 2x minus 5 equals 0, x plus 4 equals 0. Add 5. 2x equals 5, divide by 2, x equals 5 halves. Subtract 4, x equals negative 4. Raise your hand if you got this. Nice, good visual. No comment, I'm recording. So my x-intercepts here at negative 4, 2.5. Some other clues you should have gotten is a y-intercept of negative 20. And if you guys aren't picking up why I'm starting to give you guys all these details about graphing, because we actually haven't really graphed in specifics about quadratics, but eventually it will come. Maybe I count by 2s here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I'm counting by 2s. Class, graph opens up or down? Up, because your A value is positive. Sketch. Remember the y-intercept here is not your minimum. Make sure it is a U. It's nice. Our teacher would be proud of me. And let's write down our test points. So I had -4 here. This is 2.5. Remember, we can test our test points by just using our graphing calculator, right? So I'm going to put that in. Go to y equals. I'm going to put in 2x squared plus 3x minus 20. Yesterday we learned about how you can use the table function. So second table, I can just put in some numbers here. So I'm going to test -5. I'll test 0, and I'll test, I don't know, 4. Is that your favorite number? -5 is equal to 15. So if I put in -5 into the function, I get 15. Class, is 15 smaller than or equal to 0? No, so this area is false. If I put in 0, I get -20. So if you can put in 0, right? 0, that all becomes 0, that becomes 0, so you have -20. So -20, is it less than 0? So, true. This whole region is true. And 4 gives me 24, that is 24 less than 0 is false. Okay, so old school, yours would have been like this, right, in purple. Open or close circles? Closed, right? And you would have done something like this. Yes? And then yesterday's lesson, we just said, well, these are not solutions. Anything to the left and to the right. It's in between. So the graph that's in between is actually your graph. These are the solutions in red. And then we can write any notation with this. Bracket or parentheses? -4. My graph solutions all the way over to here, which is what? Bracket 2.5 or 5/2. Raise your hand if you got that as your answer. So get your x-intercepts, give yourself a graph, use your test points, use your calculator.